We are entire town of Newport has been flooded. There's people out here, looking. The cops got everything, but that's the Little Pigeon River. Well, it's not a little now, and there's no way I would know how to get across the French Broad. See what's out there. Yeah, there's buildings right there. Something way out there. I don't know what that is. It looks like a tree. That's crazy. There it is. Feed my sheep. Yeah, I just talked to the county rescue team there, and they said that we never had flood. They've never had flooding down here in Newport like that, and they're putting the rescue boats out. And I mean that is really crazy. Look at that, Newport. We got it on film here, but it's nothing like I've ever saw in my lifetime. Yeah, the whole town here is flooded. No wonder they got it blocked up. I had no idea. Look at that. All right. This is as far as you go, folks, in Newport, Tennessee. Can't even get to the Pigeon Bridge, which I was actually going to drive down through here today, but I didn't know it was flooded. Evidently they had a dam spillover. I don't think it was failing, it just spillover because it got too much, and they had to let the floodgates open, and this is what happened. All my life I've never saw Newport flooded. Maybe it has been, but I've never seen it flooded like this. I mean, somebody's car there. I hope they get that out of there. Maybe it's already been flooded. I don't know. We're at Woodland Avenue. Look at that. Downtown Newport.
Ahorita que está esta llovedera y toda esta vaina así inundada, no estamos trabajando.
It's crazy. That's it. Jeez. Hate to see that. Hate to see that. So they do have helicopters out here. And the helicopters are actually basically checking for people that may be in trouble, because it's flooded everywhere down here in Cocke County. Actually looks like it's coming up a little bit, or maybe receding. And got drains bubbling up, and crazy, just crazy. Yeah, whole downtown is flooded. Yeah, you'd have to have a boat to get somewhere today. Yeah, they got the rescue boats and the command center set up here. It's going to be a long few nights till that goes down, I'm afraid. Hopefully the dam won't bust, but right now it's just overflowing, I think. Okay, so here's a bridge right before you get to Douglas Lake. And it is pretty close to the top of the bridge here. All this stuff you can see, I mean, it's definitely flooded. Look at that. Stuff coming down, floating down. What is that? It's like a refrigerator. What is that? It's like a refrigerator. Cool. Not really cool, but crazy. Go over here and I don't get hit by a car. Oh shit. Little railroad bridge over there. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty tough. Over now. Yeah, this is bad. All this is industrial as far as you can see out through there. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. Alright, I must have found somebody. There goes the rescue squad with the vehicle, and there's that looks like a Huey. That is a Huey helicopter up there. There must be something going on. Hope it's not bad news.